Today let us study how to convert rational numbers in decimal form. So here is a rational number. We have 9 upon 37. So 9 is in the numerator and 37 is in the denominator. Always remember children, a numerator is a dividend and a denominator is always a divisor. Sometimes the number numerator is smaller than the denominator. And when you divide, you take it in a wrong way. You take this as a dividend and this as divisor. But always remember that the numerator is dividend and denominator is divisor. So even if it is smaller, it has to be divided. Let us see how to divide a numerator by a denominator. So I am writing this 9 because this is dividend and I am writing 37 here because this is divisor. Now we cannot divide 9 by 37. So I will do 37 zeros are 0. 9 minus 0 is 9. Now I want this to become 0. So what I am doing, I am putting a decimal point here. Now I can make this 9 as 90. Add 1 0 here, right? Now in the previous classes you have seen that you can write the table of 37 and solve this sum. But instead of writing table, that becomes a very lengthy process. I will explain to you one method how to do the calculations easier and faster. Now this is 37, this is 9. Always when you have bigger numbers here, like 2-digit numbers, and you have to divide, compare this first digit of a remainder with the first digit of a divisor. Say the table of 3, 3 3s are 9, which is very close to this, right? But 3 3s are 9, that means 30 3s are 90, but this is not 30, this is 37. So obviously 37 3s is going to be more than 90. So I am not going to take 37 3s, I will take the number before 37 3s, which is that 37 into 2, 37 2 times. So 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6 and 1 7. So what will be the answer? 37 2s are 74. Let us subtract this. After subtracting you get answer as 16. Now again put 0 here. Let us do the comparison again. 3 and 16. 3 5s are 15, right? 3 5s are 15. So let us do 37 5s are 5 7s are 35, 3 carry, 3 5s are 15 plus 3 185. This number is bigger than this, right? So what will you take? 37 4s are. Take 37 4s are, 7 4s are 28, 2 carry, 4 3s are 12, 13 14. So it is coming 148. So 37 4s are we have taken 148. Subtract 160 minus 148, 48 sorry, you will get the answer as 12. Now put 0 here. Now think of the number, come on. 3 and 12, you compare with this. 3 4s are 12. So 30 4s are 120. But this is more than 30, it is 37. So is it possible by 4? No. You have to take one number before it. So that will be 37 3s are. So 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 3 3s are 9, 10, 11. 111. So it is 111. Now subtract. What answer will you get? 120 minus 1. Obviously it will be 9. So this is 3 times. I forgot to write here. This is 3 times. 9. Now this is again 90. So if I have to do 37 by 90, what will be the answer? 37 2s are. 37 2s are is 74. Again I am getting the remainder 6. That means this 2 is repeated. Therefore, what is the answer of 9 upon 37? It is 0.243. This is going to be the recurring. You already studied what the recurring means. So always when you are doing a division, a rational number into decimal form, when you are converting, see that you can just do the comparison and get the closer number. So it becomes easier. If you want, you can do with 37 table also and you can do the division. Thank you. Let us see how to divide a negative number. Now here we have minus 103 divided by 5. So let us see. 103, we are not going to write the negative number at the beginning. 103 divided by 5. How will you divide? 5 2s are 10 minus 10 minus 10 will be 0. 3 is a remainder. Now we cannot divide 3 by 5. So I am putting 5 zeros are 0. 3 minus 0 is 3. Now put a decimal point. When you put a decimal point, you can add here 0. Now 5 6 are 30. So you got the remainder as 0. That means what will be the answer? Minus 103 or 103 divided by 5 is equal to minus 20.6. This is the answer.